Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to review the Usemotion app. Usemotion, also called Motion, is a smart calendar and task manager app. It helps you plan your day by automatically organizing your tasks, meetings, and deadlines into a daily schedule. The best thing about Usemotion is that it saves time. Instead of planning everything yourself, you just add your task and the app fits them into your calendar. If plans change, Motion updates your schedule right away. It's very helpful for busy people, teams, or anyone who wants to stay on track. Motion also works well with tools like Google Calendar and project apps. It has features for teams too, where everyone can stay updated and tasks don't get missed. However, Usemotion is a paid app. There's no free version, only a trial. Some people may find the price a bit high, especially if they only need a basic calendar. It also takes a little time to get used to all the features. Overall, Usemotion is a smart and useful app for managing time and staying focused. If you have a busy schedule and want help staying organized, it's worth trying. But if you only need a simple calendar, it might not be the best fit. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe. Goodbye.